All right, ladies and gents, I am out today going to St. Paul with my son for a doctor's appointment. We're going to start looking at memory, okay? And I'll post the notes on here too in just a little bit if you want to check them out. But here's what I'd like you to do today. Underneath, or it should be the third post down, you'll see something that says read this article on memory. And what it's going to do is take you to a short article looking at different stages of memory. Pay close attention to when they're talking about encoding, storage, and retrieval. And then I also want you to look at the problems. They talk about problems with memory research. And then post a question down here as a comment that hopefully I can try to answer or go. But that's kind of how I'm going to grade you. Give me a question that you had from the article. When you're done with that, I've got some memory tests that I'd like you to take. The first one's a short-term memory test. The second one is a working memory test, which is another name for short-term memory. But the short-term memory test looks like this. When you're on your iPad, you'll touch the screen, okay, and you've got speeds down here, beginner, fast, really fast. What I'd like you to do is take one at each speed, okay? And what's going to happen is you're going to select if you want to look at pictures of animals or Pokemon Go. So go nuts. And then the test should pop up right underneath that, okay? Looks like this, and when you see a picture of the animal again, you just touch the screen. So it's going to show you different animals, and then you touch the screen when you see the same picture twice or when the picture is repeated, okay? So you take that, do it at different speeds, and then come back here, and you've got a digit working memory test, okay? So what you're going to do is they're going to give you 8 numbers for a short period of time, and you've got to put those numbers back in. Don't cheat, don't write them down. And then over here is a spatial memory test. Okay, so they're going to give you things in sequence, and then you got to put them back in order. You can change the number of boxes you want. The highest right now is 8. So get those 2 things done, and I'm happy, and we'll start talking a little more about memory this week. Thanks, guys.